Welcome to our tutorial on Next.js font optimization. Here we are inside the Next.config.js file. Next.js provides an experimental feature for optimizing font loading, which can be enabled here. This feature inlines font styles and is off by default. To turn it on, you set Optimize Fonts to True within the experimental object. This configuration tells Next.js to handle font loading more efficiently, reducing cumulative layout shift and improving page performance. Now let's move to the _document.js file. While Next.js automates font optimization when the feature is enabled, you might still want to preload specific fonts to further improve performance. Preloading ensures that your chosen fonts start loading at the highest priority. This can be done by including additional less than link greater than tags within the head component of your custom document. Remember, the custom document is not called on pages where server-side rendering is not enabled, so make sure to test your implementation across different scenarios to ensure a seamless font loading experience.